Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the quick draw strategy when we add 3-digit numbers and have to regroup. So we're going to start with our place value chart. So you'll need your hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's add 483 plus 128. Now we're going to start the same way we did when we added 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Let's go ahead and draw everything out first, and then we'll worry about the regrouping step next. So we always start in our ones place, and I see that we have 3 plus 8. So let's go ahead and draw our 3, and we will draw our 8 on the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to move over to my tens column. In my tens column, there are 8 tens up top, so let's draw that. On the bottom, I have 2 tens, so draw your 2 tens. Now I get to head on over to my hundreds column, and remember, for our hundreds, we draw large squares. These represent those large hundreds blocks that we use in class. And I have 4 of them up top, so I'm going to draw 4. And then let's not forget about the 1 on the bottom. We'll add that guy down here. And then I'm going to put a line all the way underneath everything, just so I can keep everything nice and organized. Okay, so now we're at the point where we can come back to our ones place and we can start adding things up. Now, I'm looking at my ones, and I suspect that we might be able to make a 10. So let's go ahead and start counting them to see. I'm going to switch my color so it's a little bit easier for you to see. I like to draw a line through them as I count, just so I can keep track of the ones that I've counted. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just as I suspected, we have a 10 sitting in the ones place, and that 10 does not get to stay. We're going to circle those, and we're going to put it in the tens place where it belongs. Okay, and when we write that over here in the tens column, we just draw a tens rod, just like the math manipulatives that we use in class. Okay. Now, when I'm looking at my ones, I just have one lonely guy left over. So I'm going to bring my 1 down here. Okay. And then looking at our tens column, let's see how many total tens we have. Let's go ahead and count them. If we have 10, that means we're going to have to move some over to the hundreds place. So let's see how many we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, we were able to make a 10, and we know that 10 tens equals 100. So all of these need to be moved over to our hundreds column. Don't forget to draw that hundreds block. When I look at my tens column, I have 1 10 left over, so I can just bring it down. All that's left to do now in our hundreds column is to count our hundreds blocks. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 600, so I can write my 6 down here. And my final answer is 611.